anxiety, and then ngaphansi yathi how to deal with it, anxiety and how to deal with it. Meaning today we're going to learn uthi anxiety ini, and at the same time learn uthi sidila nayo kanjani. And then on that note ngizocela nonke nishaye izandla as I'm rising umfowethu i-leader yethu ubaba uGali Luvava. Thank you.
Namhlanje madoda sanibonani. Awu indoda iwani kanti la namhlanje. Namhlanje kodwa bengikhalela ukuthi ngikhulume ngihleli phansi.
Okay, our leadership.
From which direction? Which direction?
All right, siyaphila kodwa bafethu.
Saphila.
For those abangaziyo ubani qala baqala ukubakhona namhlanje? Bafika namhlanje. Okay. All right. Abangangaziyo uGali mina. I'm a mental health coach. 2, I'm an anger management skills mentor. I'm a transformational speaker. By profession, I'm an illumination engineer. What else? I am the Chief Executive Officer and the founder of the Gali Luvava Foundation. The Gali Luvava Foundation, yes. The Gali Luvava Foundation, for those who don't know, it is a foundation that was established by me in 2019 with an aim or an objective to assist myself and other men in dealing with issues that are killing us on a daily basis. I started working with boys in 2015. I'm still working with boys, but I'm more on the men's side now because I got to realize that we're building boys in a society where there's broken men. So building them to become greater men, but at the end of the day, they go back to a broken society of men. So I saw it a need in the society to establish a foundation, the Gali Luvava Foundation, a facilitator, a program, a dialogue okuthiwa madoda kwenze njani, #Asikhulume. Neba? Yes. I've been here since last year now. We started in like sometime October, eh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, October.
I think this is the 4th time.
Yeah, somewhere there. So I go around the country and engage with men. I'm a speaker. I get called at corporate events, companies, they call me to work with them, work in the madoda corner. Indoda esemayini lana ngasho bakutshela emayini ukuthi khona indoda ephilisa amadoda. Hambe uyotshela abaphathi khona lapha. Yeah, that's my introduction. Today we're going to speak about anxiety. We've touched on anger management, we've touched on, can someone remind me, topics that we've touched already on? Anger management, depression, we talked about depression. We talked about depression, we talked about ego, we talked about
Narcissist.
narcissism, we talked about narcissism. Today we're going to talk about anxiety. Now, who can tell me what is anxiety? Oh, before. Now, for those abafikayo la, lana rule number 1, siyahloniphana madoda. Sizwana? Lana rule number 1, indoda ihlonipheni indoda. Number 2, indoda eqhamukela ibeni likhulume. indoda yayinikezwe i-platform ukuthi ikhulume ayivele nje ikhulume. Number 3, ayikho indoda ekhuluma umbhedo la. Yonke indoda eziswayo ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma into efuna ukuyikhuluma iyayikhuluma. Akujajwana lana. You start to judge another man, that's shame. Because the society is already judging us enough, singamadoda. So this is a safe space for us so that we can engage and deal with the issues esihlangabezana nazo. So we don't want any man to judge another man. Siyazwana lapha madoda.
Sure.
Siyazwana madoda. So now can someone tell me out of understanding yakhe nje ukuthi what is anxiety?
According to my understanding, anxiety started from with depression. Bese kuya ngokuya, if it becomes worse, whatever that depressed you, that's where you find yourself about anxiety.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. You're correct there. Anxiety, madoda, asiqaleni la. Anxiety, in a simple term or simple explanation, uvalo. Ayikho ke mos indoda la enganalo uvalo. Yabona.
Yeah, I was about to say that Uti,
So sorry ndweni. Cala nize ngapha yabona manje ngikubonanga.
alright.
Yeah. Nawe nkabi yamtholuza nga. That's why.
Sure.
My name is Nkosi Mpile. I was just sitting there, like, I just came now. But then, to answer you on what you were saying about the anxiety, as much as we are men, there are a lot of things that we go through. And then when you go through those things, at the end of the day, it end up building up within us. And then when there is time to express ourselves on what we are going through, we end up now having that judgmental things whereby we cannot express ourselves because now we are afraid of someone will say, why is he not expressing himself the way he feels? Why he kept so long, or why he didn't say this? We end up having those things. End of the day, we are not expressing ourselves, or we are not even sharing with other people of what we are going through. We become afraid to express ourselves to even the people that we trust. So, anxiety to me, it's something in a nutshell to say, well, it's something that it's that beat that comes to certain individual that makes them to be afraid to express themselves. This is what we are going through, and what for them to fail to express themselves, they end up miserable because now they are failing to express themselves. So I so wish each and every one of us we can be strong to overcome anxiety. In short.
Oh, another thing that I'm going to mention, I also do counseling, my daughter, ne? So if you want a counseling, whenever you can give me a shout on the side, then we can have a chat about it. Right. Say Shilobafo, anxiety, as I was saying in a simple term, uvalo. Ilanto eyenza ukuthi indoda ma ezinto zibona ukuthi asihlangani ngale ndlela yona ifuna ngazo. Shawu uvalo. Ivuka ekuseni ibamba inqhawe yobhema inqhawe ngo-3 AM. Anxiety. Ivuka ekuseni ihambe iyomaphandle ibheke inhloko Facebook sikhanda phezulu. Jikeleze igceke. Uvalo la, anxiety. Anxiety ile nto ukuthi uthi mawucabanga ngeenkinga obhekene nazo kube ngathi uzufa manje. Kube ngathi umhlaba uzongena utshone kuwona manje i-anxiety leyo. Yeba? Ngesilungu ke bathi ke definition of anxiety is the anxiety is a feeling of worry, nervous, unease that can affect anyone. So ayinabani. Unemali, awunamali, yak-affect. Uma emndenini onemali, yena ungenamali, yak-affect. Mana practice. Sizoyithola isikhathi ukuthi umuntu abuza ama-questions and the comments. Ne? Right. Now, how do you identify anxiety? Common signs again is in let me issue, worry, fear, resentlessness, irritability, and mood swings. Yabo, sheshudinwe. Yabo, njengane nje sheshudinwe. There's a place that nobody mood swings. Mawufika endlini namhlanje ugreen, kusasa ured, ngelinye ilanga uorange, umali kuseni. Yazi leya ngoba. Yeah, those are the elements, and then the difficulty to concentrate. Enye ke inkinga ke leyo, difficulty to concentrate, nokuba nzima ukwenza ama decisions. Ubani umuntu ongayithole leyo nto leyo? The fear of making a decision. Huh? Yeah, uyasaba to unalovalo ukuthi your mindset is telling you anxiety. No, man, what if the decision you take ayizopop? Who relates with that? Huh? Yeah. We all that is anxiety. Yeah, we all relate. That is anxiety. Difference got symptoms, the better heartbeat, no fast heartbeat. Roll over the school man. Chuluga. Yeah, no chuluga shenja chuluga. I know one chuluga at my time. One man was on my foot. And then, why do we find ourselves in much of is impact our routine anxiety? It is because we live in a society that is stigmatized good daughter. Yes. Daughter master, this, that, that. That is why slavery is the anxiety, because you are even scared to be yourself as a man, scared to be a baby, because you are worried with what is the society going to think or say about you. And the society was this thing of Dr. Mask, this, that. I put it apart. Your sisters, your mom, your uncles, expecting a lot from you. You cannot have uyasebenza kanjani imali uyenzani, why ungazokwazi ukuthengela ubani ingane zikasisi wakho, why umalume onjani, you've got your own kids. You understand? Sister, she's old enough to make her own sober mind decisions of not going around and having babies with a mother. But now at the end of the day, you end up now being a bad uncle. You just began as most of them, huh? Yeah. And the cultural expectations, do you understand that all of those things. So these are the dollars that go to anxiety to get spend anxiety is dominated kakhulu singamadoda semzansi. How do you overcome anxiety? How do you overcome anxiety? First of all, acknowledge and accept that anxiety into a corner. It exists. Cameraman, corner. Oh. It exists, my daughter. Corner, it exists. It's part of impilo. It's just you must have skills and tactics of dealing with it and being able to identify it my fear. And then you fight with it. I'm gonna teach you guys a technique now, how to fight with it. Seek support, talk to a friend, talk to a brother, talk to a sister. Mnandi-ke nina lana nikhuluma amadoda akwazi aseyaqala ukufunda ukuthi ukukhuluma it's not a crime, angithi? Huh? Cha madoda yini ngathi mangizelana eGrill ngizela into engekho. Wena seniphile ngala madoda ngangifike eyiwona before? Huh? Huh?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. And practice self-care. One of them can get mangikhuluma ngithi. I don't know how to. I need to find a way to phrase it and don't be yourself. All the bad and the good things dwell inside here. Everything dwells inside here. Your life, your business, yourself, everything dwells where? Huh? Yeah. So when we say self-care, God is in the when I say God is just but how you got it, you don't entertain negativity in your life, my daughter.
Yes.
At all, I know that times I'm trying to be. Everybody has those days, ain't Huh? Yeah. But you fight those things. Must feel as it. If you slow feel when you come to that's self-care. God wants you feed your mind. God wants you entertaining your mind. Negative thoughts, you must never, ever, ever at any given time, given minute, given hour, given second, entertain negative thoughts. You stay positive at all times. You feed your minds with all the time. You feed your mind with positivity. You surround yourself the same way you're positive minds. If it's a group of bookworms that reads motivational books, listen to motivational speeches, do that. Feed your brain with positivity. Because if in one you are you and you can do whatever you want to do on this life and you are capable and you are able, then who's gonna tell you? Forget. Huh? 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 Yeah, so there is no man, there's no girlfriend, there is no one. When you say a girlfriend or this in fast or was in the morning. What is this? In there. Nothing will be given to you. To win in life, you have to pay the price of loneliness. Pain, failure, rejection, loss, disrespect, and setbacks. There are no shortcuts, my bro. Short. As I was saying, I always say that to my daughter is a girlfriend. noma esenomfazi othi mayethi vuka before iphume endlini ayibambe ngekhola ayilungise ikhola ayibambe i-cheeks lezi ayiqabuze athi manje eqeda lapho lo mfazi loyo athi you are a great man, you can do it. Ayibusekile leyo ndoda. Hayi lo ndoda ibusekile ndoda because today impilo esiphilayo today impilo esiphilayo amadoda siphila impilo of women expecting us to deliver on a daily basis, but they're not ready to motivate us.
Think again.
They're not willing
Say it again, Donna.
to motivate us, but they expect us to deliver on a daily basis. And not just deliver, but to deliver at their own expectations.
Expectations they can't reach themselves.
Yaxosha ke amadoda mina ngencenye ndoda. Lapho ngibeka khona mina insizwa omunye umuzi uyisayo. Sabe uNkulunkulu nedlozi phela. Yeke lo ngikhuzana nani ngathi ngikhuzana nengane encane. Sabe uNkulunkulu mina nedlozi phela. So wena motivated ngokwakho because uhleli nje wena TikTok ayiqindezele ingqondo because TikTok wonke umuntu successful ku TikTok. Anganambona umuntu uphuwa nje ku TikTok. Abala ababheka ku TikTok no Instagram. Khona umuntu uphuwa lapha. Everyone is successful. Everyone has got money. Everyone looks beautiful. Everyone is defeating poverty. Everyone is problemless lapha. And then when would now to say fully well. Because how are they doing it? Nama? I go for them sometimes social media. So now, so now you need to find techniques of Ogoti or relaxing on. Goes back to that point begins in the self-care. You don't entertain what?
Negative thoughts.
You don't entertain what?
Negative thoughts.
You don't entertain what?
Negative thoughts.
You do not 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 entertain what?
Negative thoughts.
I may recite here every morning that I do not entertain negative thoughts. Because the nice thing about Ingon, let me tell you about Ingon. The more you repeat something, the more Ingon, the itini, call.
Okay?
Yeah. The more you repeat something, the more Ingon, the itini, call. So when you wake up on a daily basis, you wake up and tell yourself that I do not entertain negative thoughts. I am a very powerful man. I'm able to do everything. Everything that I want to do, I'm able to do it. And I am going to do it. And I'm going to excel on it to the best of what? Yeah. The best of your ability.
Quotable quotes.
Naye into engifuna siyedlule kuyona ke madoda. Before ngizosenza ukuqeda manje. And then sizokwenza le exercise. Wala machita ne? Ngibona mfundi ngismart kanjani. Hayi, ngifumana madoda. Okay, but now the point that in your corner is there's nothing wrong of taking care of yourself. There's nothing wrong going for a spa treatment with your daughter. Yes. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong. Men's grooming. Yeah, let us say that in a buff and shine, going for a facial, steam your face, go for a good haircut, spend a day just grooming yourself. You understand? That is self-care. Because when you look good, you what?
You feel good.
When you look good, you what?
You feel good.
Yeah. And when you feel good, you do?
Good. And well.
I'm John. I go into boardrooms. Zamadoda. And in my but when I walk in that boardroom, I show myself. Myself. When I walk into those boardrooms, I show myself because I know who I am and I take good care of myself and my mind is in a good space and my mind is always positive and I know what I tell you, do it.
Line of the South. You're the line of the South, Chief. You're the line of the South.
They eat from the palm of my hand.
That's appreciated. At the leg up.
Maybe I keep push, maybe your neighbor is here and I walk into that room and they crumble because I know who I am. And I tell myself all the time that I expect nothing less but the best. I expect nothing less but the best, and when I expect the best, I get the best.
Yes, you deserve the best.
Do you understand? So, what I'm trying to say to you, Machita, Owoti, anxiety corner, Masama Pino Ovalo, Masas the term, let us not continuously entertaining negative thoughts. Let us believe in ourselves and always expect the best. We are good. Shashu boy. Yeah, that's it for today, for my talking. But because I want us to do an exercise on how to. I have a problem about the I'll come. Ikru namhlanje angixaka ne. Big. Wakhala nyonini ikru. Dalangezi, ne?
Yes, it's true.
Amadoda afuthumala akafuna ukuthi aphole funa abaseja afuthumala month to month zobala
Abanye
lizovala
baboshe strike.
So very good.
Sebalele manje.
Nalo ngedakiwe la.
I always go to this.
Okay, right, while bangafiki ngicela amadoda afake icathulo khipha kwakho mina. Ngicela amadoda afake icathulo eziboshiwe akhulule kancane nje. Not izicathulo. Laces,
The laces.
inyawo zoba comfortable.
So that yeah, sizoba free to go.
Ufake ibhande
And the ladies.
alilengisi.
Isinjalo ngoba usho
Cha, khulukani madoda akho nto kuzodinisa.
No, eventually. Yeah, it's true. This is like
The whole point here, I want everyone to be comfortable. Kaya, come here. All of you in the sofa, everyone. I want everyone to be comfortable. One moment, that's really sofa.
yes, everyone. Alex.
Okay. You ready?
Yes, leader. It's very relaxed.
All right. Shabis, right up, relax now. Kalulung sendiri lokal, be relaxed.
Like me.
Yeah. Okay. Oro, relax. Relax, relax. Everyone relax. Just for this exercise, ngicela wonke umuntu athule avale umlomo athi du. Sezwana? Yeah. Ngicela nivala amehlo, bheke phezulu nonke. And just relax. Yes, bheke phezulu and just relax. Forget about your problems. Forget about your fears. Forget about your day today. Forget about tomorrow. Forget about everything else. Just you alone. See yourself in the wilderness, in the bushes. Envision yourself, and the sun is shining bright. Imagine it. Continue closing your eyes. Continue closing your eyes. Continue seeing yourself in the bushes with the sun shining. Anandaba nomunye umuntu useduze kwakho. Anandaba nomunye umuntu useduze kwakho. Breathe in. Release. In. Release. Walk in the shower. It's just you. Telling yourself that how great you are. How wonderful you are. How royalty you are. How you have been achieving everything in Billionaire. How you have been winning all the obstacles that you've been coming through in Billionaire up until now. Seeing the sun shining, telling you that Uti, konke kuzolunga. Konke kuyahlangana. Breathe in. Release. I'm gonna keep quiet now. I'm gonna join you guys for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Umuntu asithulele, azivalela amehlo akhe, relax ingqondo. all the achievements, great achievements you've achieved. Obstacles odlule kuzona wazinqoba. Siyabonga okunye lokhu negative. Listen to the sound. Waseduze kwami mina ndaba nayo hlukaze zakhe naye. And we breathe in and we release. And then we breathe in, and then we release. And then we breathe in, and we release. Listen to that. Listen to the harmony. Listen to the peace. Listen to that freedom. Lalela ukukhululeka komoya lapha engqondweni. Do you feel it? I know it's freeing. Yesabisa. Uzijulisa umqondo. Yethusa. Anxiety sikhuluma ngayo. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Release. Sulela amehlo
That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. I can trust that. That's true. That's true. That's true. He does. That's true. What Baba he does. That's true. I trust that.
How does it feel, my daughter?
Me, I'm in control. I'm in control.
Huh?
From you. I'm in control.
You trying to mess it down, child. Usukude ne? Qonde leleksile ne? How does it feel? Okay. All right. Okay. 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 Let us focus now. Let us focus. Those are one by one. Freaky! How do you feel about that?
Ngaphandle akafuna ukwenza.
Man, man. How does it feel?
I feel a sense of relief. I feel worthy. I get a positive sense of things I do. I feel good about myself.
How does it feel?
I feel relaxed.
Nah.
I feel relaxed. Whatever you say to us, it relates.
Nah.
It relates to our life. I don't expect too much. It relates to us and to everything that we go through every day. And what I will say from my side is thank you for what you've done for us today. I really appreciate. I didn't expect that, but I feel like what you've done today is good enough. It's enough, and you have shaped us. And the other thing that I would say to guys would be, whatever they go through, they will share. To people they trust, and we go through a lot. Financial wise, we go through a lot. Let us not contain everything within ourselves. We'll explode.
So, Rapaz,
Yes, sir.
the exercise video.
I feel relieved. I took one on travel today. Put in some berries. Past years. Focus mind. Focus on the future. Less problems, more achievements, and appreciating things that I did not see it's achieving because of concentrating more on our progress.
I'm saying in a sense of disconnection. I'm still on the place right now.
Oh, I'm worried.
As you can see, I'm still. I don't feel just to listen. Whatever places I'm going to.
Yeah. Stay there, man. Rapaz,
Ayingasedla.
anezwa.
Lesami baleza
Yebo,
Voice abakhuphule abafethu.
Problem with my voice.
I feel like I'm in my home.
Yeah. Hey, but it
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba kunezinye izinto osibonisa zona ezinye bezizibambile ngibona correct so khonile umanje right ubanisele ukuthi indoda kumele izimele ingabi umfana izimele into engabhekana nayo indlulise ibhekane nento ebhekane nayo.
Amen. Aswana.
Ngifila ukuthi yabo. So bless you Lord.
I know. Yeah, I just want to relax.
Yeah.
You just want to relax. Rascosi? Yeah, one go.
I feel so relaxed.
Ne?
But I wouldn't lie. But next time, Sitashe, Black tax.
Black tax. Okay. All right. Yeah, but I give it. Okay. Sure. Let's proceed.
That's right.
Yeah, one do.
I be emotional.
I'm sorry to.
Be emotional.
Okay.
Two, because
Too emotional, yeah?
Yeah, try to use it.
ibuyisela izinto emuva ukuthi konje ngisungaphi
Yeah.
ngikaliphi
Yeah.
manje
Yeah.
isikwazi
Yes. It needs the sense of gratitude. That ukuthi ungabheki
ungabheki manje
namanje. Silani ukuthi uyazi
usungaphi
uzozube la. And you look indlela oyihambile. Nabantu bokade nawamba nabo indlela. Bawile ba. Wena usaqhubeka. Usamile. That's the whole exercise. So one or two.
This session it was good. More especially exercise. Isenza ukuthi sikhumbule imvelaphi ukuthi singadivavi ngempilo lesiphilayo nokuphilelana singamadoda.
Yeah.
So mina engivulela lokho ukuthi ukuba kwethu la is not by mistake.
Cannot expect.
Yeah, ukuba kwethu la is not by mistake. Mina ngicela ukuthi sibambe njalo madoda. Next session simeme amadoda amaningi. Singazuza okukhulu masingabambana singamadoda like three. Omunye angenako simsherele, siphilisane, sibonisane indlela. Yiloko engakusho.
Son of God, my son of God, my son of God. Let me tell you something. Last week, he told a very dangerous call which was a Bulawe. Bulawe which in the Even today, they've called me that I must get shoot. And the people that they say I must be shoot are my friend. But where today, Hortense Abu Plaso, they led me to your arts. They led me to blood. I'm very proud of you, Jesus.
Right, man. Yeah, you're right.
I have put my hands.
Very relaxed. Fortunately enough, it took me back to my good olden days.
Yeah.
And I connected with the dots where I missed it out.
Yeah.
Because I think by the time in Sakuela I was coming alright. But unfortunately when the stage, you will reach to a certain stage,
Yeah.
you get lost. But tonight I would say like Ibuile as a reconnector, and I saw my mistakes wami, which is one great thing I have never done this for the first time, and I'm so grateful it goes back to what you have said. Everything is it's here.
Like I've
And
always said.
it's a powerful word. That's power. Because now we start to realize this thing that we missed Sisakula. Unfortunately, it becomes very difficult to connect Ubiele back, but at least what Oiletile eat imagine. It tries to whistle back to the line. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No inhlala ngisho madoda ngithi amandla endoda athi
Mr. Gali, I don't know how to speak English, man.
khuluma isiVenda sakho.
I can speak, but I'm not perfect. Eh? Today, to be with you and many people, I do Jabula. Because you learn me how to release anger. Ngikhule anger.
Yeah, man.
Ngiyela lapho ne. Mina anger and I can show you
what big brothers bami abelungu bami ngiyamthola sort of that because makhula ungakhula ube nenga ukuthi ungazona umuntu mara ungazi umzondelani evele kwalokho uba nale nhliziyo ukuthi mara hayi lomjita ithi ngimzwele ngimnikeze lento nginayo uqale wami wamqisha mina abelungu bami uRoxley noma baba ma-8 yibo abantu bangifundisa ukuthi ubuntu uthola kuphi njengoba nabo baphila nabantu bangifundisa ngilo ngithi hayi bangithatha ngathi ngiyenyento kanti labantu bangifundisa impilo labantu bangikhulisile ngikhule nabo bangikhulisa mina ngincane kibo phela kusuka ekhaya namanje ngibambelele inhliziyo yami ikhulekile ukuthi namhlanje noma umedi ngingazalwanga naye hayi ngithathele ukuthi ngoba yangiyekela umtshela ukuthi angangifuni ngithi angiyambulala namhlanje hayi kule sizathu sokuthi wena uhlele namajita ushare namajita ungenza ukuthi uphume kuyo lo muntu uthole umunye ukuthandayo nempilo yakho leyo usibona ungathi uyasokola wegcina uba rich if uhlele namadoda siyasherana mara mozo ngizohlala ngiyi-1 ngitshela ukuthi hey nginenkinga yami le iyami ngiyi-1 you will end up die or hang yourself please no outside.
That is when you go back. All of those are short. The people from the body. And to the front. When I able to give up, you can wait. Okay, easy to get got a lot of people here. We are telling you that I should go. Amen.
Gave me a sense of calm. I felt relaxed. Gave me a chance to introspect on what I have, on what I'm looking forward to, on what I want to achieve. And I just got the sense of it all begins and ends with me.
Yeah. Siyabonga futhi.
Say something. I would like to thank you for your mental stimulation, because we couldn't be leaders without the mental health, and you introduced me to that purpose, and so therefore we can lead the next generation. There's a future. But we don't believe in mental stimulation, so we're lost. But thank you for increasing that.
Oh, no chance. Cancela. Sabe? O Pamela no chance. E não me culpo pensar eu no chance. The session I'm trying to be
something different is very session about you, there is probably one and when sometimes where is playing this conscious one of listening to music, there is Mamele, then Hagati Balan, that was Boris Neyman, so I think it was a good section for
Sabonga. Kwanza mkhonto. Right. Uthini Brafik here uthi was too emotional. Okay. Before sivale. You know Mashita, it's tough to to be a man, gentlemen. And someone. And as tough as it is, we are on our own. And no matter how positive you can be on a daily basis, but there are days where you feel like it's too much. But what I can tell you, Oti, as too much as it is, we are kings.
Yes, I appreciate my Lord.
We are kings, we are conquerors, we grind on a daily basis with no cheerleaders, with a lot of expectations from the society, with people judging us left and right, with people who are not willing to understand where we come from, with people that are always seeing the wrong in us, with people that are expecting us to behave and do things in a certain way, but above all of those things, we rise above them. Ubuhlungu ndoda ukhulu baba kungamazi madoda.
Kwamina lo baba.
Ubuhlungu ukhula ubaba wakho umazi, but ubaba wakho angazwakali kuwe ukuthi ukhona emotionally. Ubuhlungu ukhula ubona uma wakho edonsa kanzima esiwa evuka nawe nabafini, but uqhubeke because the situation is iqhubeka. Ubuhlungu ukwenzela okuhle ingane yomunye umuzi, kodwa ingakwazi ukuthi ngiyabonga ngemizamo yakho baba. Ubuhlungu uvuke uhambe uye eSpanyeni osibonayo ukuthi every day you are being told on a daily basis by your superiors that ukuthi you are useless, nale mali oyiholayo uyibona ukuthi ingane ayenzi lutho, but you still wake up and go. So ningaze at any given time machita niyicekele phansi.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Noma kunzima kanjani machita, we grind, we go forward. Impilo inama ups and downs, inama kef, inama what. But the little achievements, the achievement of being able to wake up and go to the place where umoya wakho ungekho right because you want to achieve what you want to achieve, is an achievement of its own. Ningaze nicele phansi bafethu. Nyuku or no nyuku. Best taken or no best taken. Mkuku or Stina. Car or wama ngeenyawo. Ushatila ushatanga, uyajola ujula. We're in a 5-Stina or we're in a 50K. Never, ever doubt yourself. Never, ever look down on yourself. Ngoba sikhuluma nje manje. Uney'nsizwa la ngaphandle esigaxele ema-dustbin esigaxele wena prepare ukuthi ulahle amathamba akho e-KFC. But upraphetha angafika lahla amathamba e-KFC, ihambe yolala ilambile indoda. But wena ngamasenti akho uyakwazi ukupheka ipapa nomrokho ulala udlile nezingane zakho. Ratok. Ngiyangithola manje. So njalo mavuka every flipping morning. Mavuka phuma ngaphandle ubheka ukuthi liyashisa noma liyabanda. Bonga ukuvuka oqala. Bonga ukuthi amehlo akho asabona ngoba kunethizwa manje engaboni. Efisa ukubona lento eyibonayo wena yona engayiboni. Awuqeda ukubonga uyikhuthaze ngokwakho because akunathekeni, akunamfenu, akunabani uzokukhuthaza but ukuthi wena uyikhuthaze ngokwakho ukuthi ngiyimi mina uThabiso ngizalwa ubani nobani futhi ubani wayejwayele ukuthi phezulu egama. Speak positivity on yourself, Majid. Baptize yourself with positivity all the day. That's all I want to tell you, Majid. Then singayenqoba ke anxiety le. Nempilo sizoyinqoba. Ngiyanthola? Engathani ngitholi
Let us speak, man.
So ngiyabonga Machita for the time spent. Nangithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. I don't like to listen to myself. I prefer because this platform yethu. So before I hand over to Brapet, the manje khaya kusathiwa master of ceremony manje. Was the host?
Yeah, the host.
The host, yeah. Leo master of ceremony yakujala to the host. So I want to show my gratitude to you guys. I know it's not easy to come here. Amadoda afika adle phansi because now we confront real genuine issues. Bona yindoda lana isikhathi lilele nini. Wena chita futhi. Leza lento yakho. Yeah. Ufuna amehlo. Kule yindoda la amadoda. Ithe ayingathe qala le exercise lena. I can't.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you're so mad. I can't. That's You repeat me now. Yeah, permission, you want it? I can't find it outside that part. Okay.
No, I feel like Papa's better for. Cool,
So what I'm trying to say is angihleki le ndoda ne, but obviously actually ayihlekisile yabo, but it shows ukuthi singamadoda we're living a fearful life. Sesaba ukungena deep in our thoughts and deep in our emotions. That is why umfazi mangazama or girlfriend izama ukuthi iyabona ukuthi khona lento ikhuphayo ekwenza ukuthi ubiye ngendlela, but wena uyahamba naye manje sithi talk to me man, what's wrong baby? Now time right. asukume lapha yalando playa ngathi idliwa yiguma. I can't. Ngiyabona ukuthi ufuna ukukhala yahamba yokuhlala lapha. Yahlala yodwa lapha. So thank you for coming, Majita. It takes courage. Ukuthi nize. Ungathi ngingangayeki ukuza. Nihlala nisiza. Nihlala ni-invite amanye amajita. Siphileni majita manje because ekugcineni silimele and sidinga ukuphila. And sohlala siyikhuluma le mangini le. Ngoba sithi slogan sala ekhaya. Ukuphila kwendoda,
Phila kwekhaya.
ukuphila kwekhaya,
Phila kwesizwe.
ukuphila kwendoda,
Phila kwekhaya.
ukuphila kwekhaya,
Phila kwesizwe.
ukuphila kwendoda,
Phila kwekhaya.
ukuphila kwekhaya.
Phila kwesizwe.
Akhoga madoda. Because makuphile thina kuphila imindeni yethu. Makuphila imindeni yethu kuphilani? Kuphila umphakathi. So that's all mina from my side. Ngiyabonga. Hoping that ukuthi ngizophinda ngibuye because kuyabeza madoda ukuza la. And I do these sessions. Companies they pay me. Some organizations they pay me. So unfortunately, ukuthi ngiyazalana ngidrayive all the way from Joburg, ngizelana, ufike ngihlale nani and share my expertise. Saham is long. Expertise. Yeah. Share my expertise and be able to school Sunday Macdonald. So yeah, thank you very much, and let us share a round of applause for ourselves. I saw your hand. Yeah, and you too. Then you're going to have a pants. Then repent.
I guess sharing the master of football for you too. I think Mr. Ruba uzothatha mhlambe anything you ufuna ukuyisho for now. Sekusukuma izandla zethu manje. Sizothatha just maybe 5. Sizobona ukuthi isikhathi sisavumelana because maybe some of the things they abasikhuluma ngifuna ukuthi as-answer. If you've got something ufuna ukuyisho usikhulule wena. Because with this session that we've done, khona izinto ezinto ezirevelayo ezivelayo. One, maybe is it two zingeza kuqala or is it fike ekugcineni?
Yes.
Remember, you're a human being. Uyabamoshela abanye abantu. First, ungafika izinto uzimoshile wena or uzenzile as wrong. You have to forgive yourself and forgive those that did wrong to you. And then we will still figure a good things. So, whichever one of them is a figure out something, you have to choose it because when you face it, you are alone now in your space. And I would say, ish, connected to the area, zama ukuthi ngayishaya enqindi ngahamba angazi ukuthi isele yenza njani mhlambe uyakula mhlambe ufile mhlambe wenze njani. Those are the wrongs that we have done, but wena ungazi or ungekho intention. When you put yourself in a space where uba like this kind of music and then uba njalo, then accept ukuthi uzova nama revelations. And those revelations ukukhona wakho. Those revelations is your connotation, you are on the right track. So right now, we will recognize you by the rise of a hand. And then Mr. Mahlangu as well. Zizolandelana so futhi Thabiso number 4 and then number 5. Khona munye ufuna ukusho something. Oh, my brother there. I'm sorry, igama angilazi, but anyway, siyambona naye sonke. And then so ngizosho so ubheki ngizoqala ngawe lapha, zolandela noMbo, figure Ramasango, Tabico is my brother that side. So the niggas and Tabi 3 minutes at least. I don't know what you need, but anyway, I need to see speaking his cards. Yeah.
Sandolan Buffett. You know, I mean, it's simple and short. Guys, next time we'll get to the business card because by the end of it, but our problems are la waitress. So that was part of my business card is going to buy and not going to
I'll share on the group. I won't.
Okay, Sanborani, gentlemen. I come along Mo, we are Cornelius. My brother, can you understand vernacular?
No problem.
You understand? Alright, sure. I think the only reason I wanted to speak, there was a message into the group. We have a group here, yes, a group. For those who are not in the group, yeah? Here we are forming brotherhood. It's just a matter of us supporting each other because a man, by nature, you are born as a leader. Whether you're leading at work, at church, or in your family, but once a man starts coming to a brotherhood and say, guys, this is what I need. Leandro say so enough for can swallow their pride and come forward for their own problems. That guy sent something into the group, what code 10. So anyone this is exactly what we are here for. This is what we are here for, to support each other as brothers. So as the motto says that I'm not sure if that guy is here inside the room, but whoever is here and has ways and means of helping them, please come forward and help that guy. Thank you.
Mashango, I think the time is yours.
I appreciate Baba Matala. Baba Matala, let me get born. I mean, God will answer you. Baba Matala, the tone that you've raised, it reminds me of brother. Your brother have tissue. You and your brother in this society, we're together. Such a guy that his brother from God will never get it.
Never.
It's fine, I'm done.
Thank you. Going back to the point angisho ukuthi kanjani kodwa ebengithanda ukuyicela ngithi insizwa la ukuthi as much as he said from Joburg to Green it cost bengicela ukuthi madoda in future for him ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abuye because since last year at least kube ngathi kuba consecutive kuyalandelana kakhulu but this year siye saba negap nyanga and this is the food for our souls, food for our heart, food for our spirit to grow. So bengicabanga into yokuthi mhlasimpe uma singazama guys ukuthi ukuze ukudla okufana naloku kuhlale khona etafuleni kithi, if it needs ukuthi at least 2 rand, 20 rand, 10 rand for them to drive from Joburg to come this side, we know ukuthi the personals they also contributing in terms of ukuthi bakhona ukuthi bafihle inhloko and stuff like that. But man nathi singakhona ukuthi sichaze ukuthi mhlambe senzele ukuthi singathi this month sitholile then sizolinda another 4, 5, 6 months. Ezinye zezinto ziyashiya silahlele besidla kahle last year and then this year kube negap nyaya nje ethi ukuthi ukuthatha yavuleka kakhulu. So bengicela kithi as insizwa ukuthi if we can at least try ukuthi sivale le gap le evulekile sibaqhaze just to buy petrol ukuthi basuke beze la baqhamuka khona beze because lento lena isiza thina. Believe you me guys, whatever the session lesibambile to me it's emotional ngingazi yini ukuthi nanifile kanjani but
Yes,
it's emotional
yes.
and it shows something yakhe umqondo omunye kimi. So uma ngizophinde futhi ngilinde for another 3 months 4 months izoba seyiphumile lento lena ihambile ngiphinde ngithole futhi. So bengicela ukuthi guys sicela ukuthi Nduni mawufuna ukubuya next month khuluma isikhathi sasekhona my 50 rand my 100 rand my 200 rand izoyenza umehluko ukuthi nawo usheshe ufike then ukujika ubiyele emuva sizozama noma laba khona baleka phaswana wherever laba bazoba khona. Let's try guys ukuthi at least kube khona something nyana ukuthi bakhona ukuthi baqine bavuke ekseni siyakhona ukuvuka sibambise nyana ngama cornflakes ngama wheat bix whatever sisebenzisayo understand sibakhaseni because lento le at the end of the day siya benefita thina. And okwamanje sikakafiki kulezinga lokuthi mhlambe sesihleke ama-mines ama-Eskom ama-companies that are surrounded like real okwamanje but since okwamanje singakabahehanga labo bantu labo sinamandla guys sivuke ekuseni siphume sihambe siyosebenza let that 20 rand make a difference to them because at the end of the day again yena gaina thina yabona.
Luna, ungashintshi endosweni.
Techniques.
And it made me go back to the last session. Elizabeth emphasized, guys, the exercises he gives here, sometimes that's what I'm serious, they help a lot. I've learned to walk away. I was the kind of person who would I confront noise with noise. Exactly. I confront a fist with a fist, but I've learned to walk away. And that's by doing so. Nasendlini kulomama endlekisana nayo izinto sezinkulu. Because sengiyakhona ukuthi athi bakavela ngo-11 ngithatha -2. By that it gives me a chance to come down, and gather her thoughts. Masesibuya asisabi. We discuss the differences that made us have a conflict in the first place. Sithole an amicable solution. So, by so saying, Mphathi ngizosupporta izwi lamfowethu ukuthi lokhu okuncane esinako nathi sizozama ukuthi at least, if not twice, but at least once a month, ushaye around usiphe usiphakona, because truly it does make a difference in our lives.
I don't like this. Siyabonga.
Sabonga Hlambo. It's a contribution from Mr. Mahlangu. Who support the statement this every time must think about Ukali. Siyasokola because now he has to go deeper into his pocket as an upper. I'm quite sure even the gap in the real is because Begasas Bega no corner, no tataini, no umdeni naye, and then ngeke thathe womdeni aseba thina yithi mina isilume lento lokuthi siyamfuna siyamdinga lapha ngoba izinto eziningi like my brother said something in touch kakhulu ukuthi he's now able to control ama emotions towards umdeni wakhe because of the teachings asithole lapha. Then that tells you ukuthi every time ungatshela ukuthi awuthole next in this session, but going out there we are able to deal with situations I'm one of the examples. I mean, mine even it may in our different. I remember in the past 2 months, me and my wife, which is Patalangani house. It was the topic of the day, every day. Malachai semsebenzini. La bengizotoka khona kukhathekile, akuna next. Understand? Then every day must be ending. Ubuza mina uthi kwenzakaleni. Bengisho ethuthukayo like manje ngathi ungibuza kaningi and then anginawo ama-plans. Sengibacelile abafowethu, sengibacelile abangani bami. Understand? Akusena anything. But through our discussions, sihlala phansi sibonisana. Kwavela kwayenzeka something endenza khona ukuthi ngicubeke ngempilo sibhadale la sibhadala khona because I could not trust ukuthi yena ayiwana ngakhona ukukhela umsebenzi. I took everything upon my shoulder, even if maybe ngiyazi ukuthi ayikho into engiyithembile ukuthi akunayo something ezovela manje. Izinto zibreaking, but I survived those things because of the teachings I got here. So, lama teachings ngawathathe kancane and nama lezi zinto lezi sesikhulumayo, it is because masizalana, when you come here, don't just bring your body and your mind and soul. And then that's where uzokhona grab all the good things ezenzakalayo in this session. So next time when we come here, I know Mr. Kali, he knows us better than we know him because he's a teacher and he deals with our emotions and then doesn't apparat. He can be able to read you if you can tell him a lot of things. So now, meaning, our sessions are letter because already, I think even now, already say what is my next topic? So, meaning if you are not here, you miss. And if you miss, if you remember all those sessions, they are all different in their own way. Yeah. You've missed Mr. Masangu, but we thank you for your contribution. We thank you for your presence today. He came here today. Is a Wednesday, I would say, even in future, my phone will miss up this kind of opportunity to hear. Kulumile, most of the places I am partner for this session. He's not only doing it to us, he's doing it to corporates and then on the radios as well, where he ends at this thing. And then now, what's choose a team? I want to open something at Green. I want to find Utinati Vesi, Limel, Singakone, Ukolum. So, I would like to ask to our business people, our access to our minds. Going forward, we would like to have our donations and see how much we've gained. We've got proofs, we've got photos, we've got speakers in King. Then they will see we can grow and be better people. And this thing here funega all around. More special business people are struggling, my brother.
Exactly.
Business people are struggling. Sometimes we are 4 or 5 months unabhadala. And then kids, your wife are expecting you to provide in the house. You don't have to explain a lot of things to mama because she doesn't understand. They don't understand the language. He just does understand that. But ufuna $1,000. She can even tell you if this business is not working for you, then why can't you go and look for a job? When what you have value,
Also qualified.
Understand? So, but if you have anger inside you, uzophendula kanjani with that thing? Uyiphendula kahle. Or uyiphendula, or even if you ungayiphendula, but Yeah, no such thing a question mark. If this thing doesn't work for you, why can't you go and look for a job? Then we solution here because ufuna ukubona uphethe ama-plastic uvela njengendoda uproblem. Kathi sometimes ikhona ama-other avenues la ungayakhona la lezi into ungaziyenza, but you'll never have trust because uhlala udisappointed every now and then. So usinceda kakhulu babukali, and then we'll try nathi sihlale phansi sibonisane ukuthi what is it that we can do ukuthi sihlale sine isikhwama ukuthi masikufonela sithi wozi siyazi ukuthi hayi right. Then madoda bengakhuluma kakhulu bathi ukukhuluma kakhulu hayi ukuthi wazi indaba, just ukuthi uvese lokumlanga phakathi. And then Mr. Gali, I think he's going to touch on everybody's
Still bamasiphathile attend register.
Yeah.
Next week ngakabuya and then siyacela ama-flyers kababa because are very imperative to our lives.
Sorry, mphathi sihlalo. Athi ngene la kuya amabhizinisi. Kwelamabhizinisi ngihlala.
Yeah.
Samabhizinisi aheli.
Yeah, we.
Ngakhethwa. Nesitso. Sisemthethweni so. Masemthethweni so izinto zethu sasikhamba njengobana ihlelo yazazi dala selakatho ehlelina ngikhuluma isikhethu ngazi ngizona
That's right. Yeah.
ihlelo salithoma unyaka opheleleyo but ngadisappointeka ngithi abona nakhona lapho so mina njengosihlalo sesikhona business chamber nangabe kunenkinga sizosolve ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuya phambili so kuya phambili ngaphandle kwevalo.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Before the rest of Mr. My brother, I've seen your hand up. I don't know. Are you covered? Okay, thank you. Mr. Kali, I think you'll be, as our speaker, you'll be closing, talking and closing the session for today. If maybe there's no one who want to say something, who can show something.
Sometimes I should be donation must come on live. Abanye donation babathandi donation baba like. So singayibe ukuthi it's a must.
It's not a must, yes.
From hardcore. Singayipush naku singayipush. Yes. Let's donate from our abanye abantu they got nothing but they want to help. This verses.
Yeah.
Understand that? Thina abantu la ithi kumele simebe ukuthi ngoba uyafika la. And then ama-pamphlet afikele kubantu badinga usizo. And we'll take it from there. As time goes on, we're going to ask for a donation from the mine, session. Most of them, about to see for 20,000, 10,000. So we end the money, you would love about having a money. Having a salary, having a petrol. It's simple. About to tell a muscle. Why must we say a proposal? Let only skeleton in a matter of supply. Yes. One has a total season. Skeleton donation, Jesus Christ. So, as well as she was telling to me, why? Who might be started, who was started. You must work. I need you to feel. I commander. I don't need you to pay no.
No, I think I fully command, I fully ruler.
In the process, when I'm
so, in this year, I will do a job. And then when something
now we're going to it is Taliban.
I think you're the last person to
support on what Rocky said. Can we at least have a clip so that when Udo Tamagahama is presentation, since he pictures and videos.
That's
So can you at least send a
Your
clip
profile,
so that Dr. compile the profile, whatever that is presenting to the companies, it's going to help us a lot.
In record.
Yeah, in record.
Okay.
No, I think register yonke into the
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah, siqedile madoda manje siyazibonga comments. As much as ngingathanda ukukhuluma kodwa ukuthi noma kunzima mangibona ngathi amadoda adonse inyawo. Mangibona nina amadoda nikwazi ukube futhi nisho nithi hayi siyabona umehluko empilo zethu. Ithi leyo nto ukuthi mina asisebenzi ngequantity, sisebenza ngequality, not quantity. Nani ningaphela amandla madoda, kunzima ukuhlala nendoda ujule kuyona ngaphakathi ngoba isaba ukujula yona ngaphakathi self. Akulula lento engenza akulula kade nangiyibaleka kodwa ngaze ngicina ngibona ukuthi hayi akusizi ukuthi ngiyibalekele ilapho uNkulunkulu angibize khona. Angibizelanga ukuba umfundisi, angibizelanga ukuba umshumayeli, angibizelanga ukuba isangoma, kodwa angibizela ukuthi ngixoxe nendoda, indoda ingene ngaphakathi, ijule ngaphakathi, izibone lapho inamaphutha khona, ilungise amaphutha ayo. So ngalo amazwi ke madoda ngiyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga nayo contribution yomnumzane Baba Mahlangu, yeah, siyabonga former councillor. Ubuholi bukhona kuwena, awungumholi ngeposition, ungumholi ngokudala. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. Isikhetho ukuthathwa akwande. Isisho isikhetho sitakwande. Yeah, siyabonga madoda kakhulu. Sibuye futhi sibona nini. Nihambisa ivangeli madoda. Well, from the business side perspective, if need be, to emphasize on the plea to the corporate on the Krill side, if need be, that in Bekwana, I'm willing to come and convince them. If need be. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for coming. Let us spread the gospel. Ukuphila kwendoda, ukuphila kwekhaya, ukuphila kwekhaya.
Siyavalelisa, siyavala.
Asibalele umkhankaso wethu singakafi.